Good morning, friends and family. Welcome back. For those of you that are new here, welcome. Rachel, All Glory Farms. So today's raw dog food diet day, and as you saw, if you watched yesterday's video, you saw that Faith is just looking thin. Now, we did do a round of deworming, even though I'm not a huge fan in that, and they shouldn't have needed to be dewormed because we do stuff like the thyme and the oregano and the rosemary, and for 7 days out of each month, we do black cumin seed, DE. They shouldn't have any parasites, but you never know. So anyway, I have a feeling that the reason why Faith is so thin is because that dog does not stop. Like, she's not a normal Great Pyrenees. She should be sleeping all day long and awake all night long. She's not. I rarely ever see her crash out like I do Zeke. Zeke's usually down for the count for most of the day, unless something wakes him up or it's time to eat. Faith, she's just a social butterfly. She's with the donkeys and the cows. She will chase the donkeys all over the place. She hangs out with the sheep and the goats. Like, she is constantly going. So I'm going to change it up a little bit this week. Well, this won't even last a week. But I'm going to change it up a little bit. We're going to add some rice. I haven't been adding rice just because it's not really required for the extra carbs. But for her, I think that she does need the extra carbs. So we're going to see if this... Hello to my little assistant.
Hello.
Let's go. He's got the dog food. Og. Og. You want to feed the piggies?
Yes, the pig.
Okay, go feed the piggies. Faith. Frank and Beans! Come on, boys! Did you already give Frank and Beans theirs? No, that is not how this goes. Okay, I do not understand how 8 months of feeding them one way and you guys are deciding to feed them another. That's not how this goes. You are going to make moving them really hard. So can you go get some and put some in their bowls, please? Thank you. Besides, they're like, Beans is like, what's going on? Hi, Beans. Frank. Hi, Frank. Mike. She's got to have her own little food off to the side. These guys. That is a happy dog. Two happy dogs. Zeke and Faith. Frank, Beans! Frank, Beans! See, we need them going into stalls because when we go to move them, that's what we're backing the livestock trailer up to. Come on, Frank. Come on, Beans. All right. Come on, Frank. Frank, Beans. Come on, let's go to your rooms. Come on. Can I have that, please? Come on, Frank. Come on, Beans. Oh, yes, I hear you, Thelma. Come on, boys. Come on, Beans. There we go. Hi, Thelma.
Wrong one.
Thelma, get off me. Frank, go to your own room.
Get out.
Hey, get off me. You're making it weird, dude.
Get out.
Come on, quit biting my butt. Guys,
Get out.
there's some over there. Come on, Beans. Frank.
You can just have it, though.
No.
Hey.
Hup, hup, hup.
Out.
Get out of here. You know better. Oh. Yeah. Come on. Come on, Frank. Come on, Beans. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Frank.
Goodness sakes. Come on. This is the hardest it's been to get them in. Come on. Pour a little bit in his, please. Come on, Frank. Oops. Come on. Go to your room.
Frank.
Nope. Stand right here, please. Stand right here, please. Come on. Come on. Let's go to your room. Come on, Frank. Come on. Hi, Beans.
You want the treats?
Hi, Beans. Come on, guys. Good boy, Beans. Hi, handsome. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, hey, hey. All right, let's do this. Seriously, guys? All right, just leave it in their stalls. This is why you don't break routine with livestock, especially right before you're getting ready to move them. They're now going to be skittish. And they're already skittish this morning. I've told you 3 times not to do it. You need to listen to what you're told.
What do you want me to do with the rest?
I want you to set it over there, please. Okay, you two, out of the pen. Go ahead and pick up the dog bowls, please. Come on, Frank. Come on, Beans. Come on. Well, hello, Faith. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, pretty girl. Come on, boys. Let's go. Oh, you're going to go further out. Come on. Come on, Frank, Beans. Well, hello, Bunny. Ed, get off my pants. Get off my shirt. You're so funny. Hi, Ed. Hello, Ed. Hi. Hi, Faith. Oh, that's Zeke. Hi, Zeke. Hi, handsome boy. You're so sweet. Mike. Hey, Ed. There's food in there, dude. Yeah? You want to say hi to everybody? No. Don't eat my phone. Get off of there. What are you doing, weirdo? No? Oh, you are so handsome. You're such a good boy. Come on, boys. Get in your rooms. Come on. Go to your rooms. Go to your rooms. Let's go. Hup, 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 hup. You two know better. Hup. Okay, there's no reason for this, you two. Okay, I don't know what you're doing, Beans, but that's not it. Are you scared? You're that scared? Come on, boys. We've never had this problem with getting you guys in your... Come on. Come on. Yeah, I know you'll take what's in here, huh? Hi, Thelma. Hi, pretty girl. Ed, get off my clothes. Ed, and my phone, you butthole. Sorry, excuse my language. Get off my clothes, dude. Here comes Andy. It's not for you, Ed. Hi, Louise. Ow! Ed! You can't jump on me, bud.
Frank, get in there.
Come on, go to your room. Frank, go to your room. Good job, Beans. Come on. Boys, why are you being so dang stubborn?
Dump it in here then.
I'm not dumping it in there then. Come on. Let's go to your rooms. Come on. Hey, 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 hey. Come here, boys. Frank, ow! Ed, stop jumping on me. Get off the goat. Stop riding the goat, weirdo. Stop it. Man, your hooves. I need to trim your hooves. Hey! All right, let's see if I can try this one more time. Guys, get out of here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, 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 hey. Frank, Beans. This is going to be an all morning thing, isn't it? Okay, stop. Get off of there, Ed. My goodness, now I've got an audience. Stop it. Are you eating their food now? Seriously, Zeke? All right. Frank, Beans. Come on, Frank. Come on, Beans. Oh, gosh. Ed. Here, guys. Go get it. Go find it. Hello, girls. Could you get off my leg, please? Thank you. Goodness sakes. These two boys. Luckily, everybody else has gotten what they've needed out of the trough. They'll end up being back in their pens. This is just not ideal less than a month before we move, or a week before we move. Yeah. Hi, girlies. And Ed. All right. Well, there's not much left in there. Thelma, what are you bet? Oh my gosh! Right between my legs, girlfriend. Thelma, how you doing, girlfriend? Yeah. We are going to be dropping hers and Ed's coat. We're going to be shearing them. As soon as this weather breaks, the heat is too much. It could cause them to sunburn. That's why we haven't sheared them yet. We are going to wait until fall weather has hit. So her coat dropped for the most part. Her coat didn't. and neither did his. So, hi, Mike. All right, well, the spoiled brats are going to continue eating out of there. Then they'll go to their stalls. So we'll definitely fix this over the next couple days so we don't have this happen again. Because if I can't chase them around, they have to. Hello. They have to get in a stall in order for me to be able to get them into a livestock trailer, because they just aren't. They're not used to being handled. They haven't warmed up enough yet. So we'll be working on that at the next place too. Anyway, so that's morning feed. Oof, the shack. We got to figure out what we're going to do with all of this. I don't even, is it? No, it isn't. Yeah. Fun.
Okay, so the two we're getting, see the second one from the right, the one with the darker face? We're going to get her, and then the one standing up, the one right in front of the one standing up over here, the one laying down. We're going to get her, those two.
What do you guys think of the new cows?
I'm excited.
We only got to see the little ones. We didn't get to see the big ones. What do you guys think of the move?
I'm excited for it.
Yeah.
It's a new space.
Play in the water.
What are you the most excited about?
The cold.
Riding the bike over there.
Anything else?
No.
And more cows.
And more cows. You looking forward to building a new coop?
No.
Yeah.
Well, we know who's going to help Dad build the coop. Dinner time. Dad's got your bowls. Oh my gosh, Pua, you're a little too big to be on that, dude. Hi, Charlotte. Hi, guys. Hi. Crank, please. Hi, Faith. Hi, Faith. Come on, go to your rooms. Good boys. Very good. All right, Faith. Goodness sakes. I know, you're super excited. Yeah. Yeah. All right, Faith. Hey, thanks, Mike. Let's not have... It didn't work. It didn't work. Oh my goodness. Thelma. Yes. Yes. He's going to feed you in just a second. My goodness. She just can't keep it straight. Can't keep it together, can you? These guys are losing their minds.
Oh, stop.
Yeah. It's time for a trough. Everybody's happy.
It's time for a trough.
I just said that. Yeah, you do it different than the boys do.
Ugh. Gonna kill me. Pick. Oh.
Happy pigs.
pig slobber all over me.
Oh,
Every day I come out
you
here,
got
pig slobber.
slime.
They get me all.
Well, he can't move so fast when I'm zoomed in.
They slime me.
That's awesome. Good pig. Hi. Oh, beautiful day. Hot, of course. See how many floor eggs we have. Well, we'll just do this first. Worms. I'll mix it up and use the pink one. Worms, worms. That one.
Ooh.
How much? Just about that. A little bit less. Dump a little bit out. Okay, that's good. Then they get the alfalfa and the oats. We get 2 scoops of the alfalfa and the oats.
Spoiled chickens.
Spoiled is when they'll be able to free range. What are you doing? Put that back.
I'll just sit right over here.
Okay, then don't. Going out of your way. Okay, whatever. They're already griping. Are we late? Oh, we are 20 minutes late. Cheek, cheek! Okay. Cheek, cheek! Cheek, cheek! Make sure you watch where you're walking, because every once in a while you'll find an egg in the run! Dang it. Come on, watch out. Come on, watch out. I don't know who keeps dropping an egg out of her butt, but this is why we have... Dang it, girls. Well, at least it's intact. It's not broken. Which one of you is doing this?
So funny. They go chase it and they're like, it's not worms.
Right. You can do it a little faster.
That's how I feel every day, baby.
Whatever. Bite me. Make sure there aren't any more eggs out here. Yes, you know what I don't do? I don't check the tires often enough. Oh, they're finding shells. How are they finding shells? Watch out, Barry. Watch out, bud. Okay, no. Chick, chick! Chick, chick! Chick, chick! Alvin! Just for you, Alvin. Hi, Laura. Here you go, girls. All right, you're not backing me into a corner. Hi, girly girls. All right, where's Barry? Oh, there you are, Barry. You want to call your girls? There you go, Barry. Dang, some of you are ridiculous. Oh, I shouldn't get it on you. Sorry. So I'll just here. Fred. There you go. Here, Barry. Oh, gosh. You girls are spoiled. Larry. There you go, Larry. Just for you, bud. Come here, Foghorn. Yeah. Here, Barry. Here's some more. You are such an opportunist, Red. There you go, girls. Here we go. Let's go get eggs while they're busy. Just gonna chill with the chickens. What is going on with this door? There we go. Here we go again, around the corner. Oh, the two girls are in their boxes, aren't they?
Egg.
Well, we had one out in the run.
2 over there, 1 over there.
Dang
1
it.
here too.
4 floor eggs and 1 shirt egg. Oh, are you getting crabby pants again? Look at you all puffed up, girlfriend. Here. Well, hi, Pigeon. You want to come over? Okay, I'll pet you. Hi, girly. What you doing, sweet thing? You are all puffed up. Yeah, well, you're not going to like me because I'm taking your eggs. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, Pigeon. Come on. Yeah, I know. You're still going. Come on. There you go. She went out. All right. Oh, what'd you do? Did you break it?
I can't see.
Oh, that's right. I forget you're blind.
It sounded like it.
It did, but I don't see a crack. No, I don't see a crack.
Is that a new layer?
It
One
looks
of the
like a
new
pigeon
ones?
egg. No, looks like a pigeon egg. I mean, it could be a new one, I guess. Oh my gosh. I guess they like this box.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's why I said I guess they like this box. But check all of these, make sure. All right. Just take them inside so you can count them right. You get so excited. All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of updating real quick since, yeah, we're done with morning and night feeding. So Andy's been working on the plans for the new coop and pricing it out because the way we wanted to build it, we needed to make sure what we were looking at price-wise for the run and the coop. And meanwhile, I was perusing Facebook Marketplace and I think I found a really cool shed that we're going to turn into a coop like we did with this one. And it's going to cost us about half the price of building our own, which really, the guy's super nice. He's going to deliver it for us and everything else. It's going to need a little bit of work, but we've got time to do that. This would allow us to get the run set up quicker and us be able to bring the birds up there sooner. So, turn of events, like he was pricing out all the materials, getting a materials list so he could get it all ordered as soon as we were getting ready to leave. And yeah, this shed, I just happened to come across it. So awesome. We'll see how it turns out, but so far pretty cool. Augie did some research on the Pyrenees, and they are supposed to be this thin at this age because they are in their teenage phase. Pretty much figured, but still gonna give them a little extra because they're growing. But yeah, everybody's finishing up eating. Oh. So yesterday, I keep hearing the birds make this dog-like call, and I made the comment, I don't know if it was in yesterday's video or one of the other videos, but one of my dear sweet friends was watching that video and texted me late last night. She's like, yeah, that's them sneezing. All these months that I've been wondering what that is. And I should have known to ask her. Danny's the, oh, sorry, official count is 30?
30.
Did I get the, yeah, I did get the run egg, the pocket egg. So thank you, Danny. We really, really appreciate it. So yeah, our friend Jay called from Nebraska. He was getting ready to come help us move, and he thought we had a month, and we're like, yeah, no, we're leaving next week. So how awesome of him that he was going to come clear from Nebraska to help us move. That's pretty cool. Yeah. All glory to God. Like, everything's turning out really well. Ooh. They're riding their bikes. Well, our old bikes, but whatever. Didn't really get much packing done today. We had a lot of other stuff going on. We did get rid of some of our stuff that we just don't use. And we might have come up with a solution for the house. But that'll be for another video because everything's very, very not sure yet. So, yeah. As usual, thank you guys so much for following along. Kelly, we really hope that your move went well today. Everything's beautiful today. We hope that everything's beautiful in your world, and we thank you very much for supporting us and tuning in. As always, thank you very, very much. All glory to God, how amazing things are turning out. We appreciate everything, and I think my sign-off line is going to be God bless you and bye. We'll see.